Hello friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about themes on Excel. So basically, Excel offers themes to change the look of your workbook with the click of a button. Each theme consists of 12 colors, 2 fonts, 1 headings and 1 body, and effects for shapes and smart art. On the page layout, if you click on the page layout, in the themes group, you can see that the themes option is there. And if you choose any of the theme, you can see the heading and the body style has been changed automatically. So by using themes option, you can quickly change a table design. You can also create a new theme by choosing the new colors, customize color option, and also you can create a new font style for the specific themes by using customized fonts. So suppose if I choose this style or this one, you can see the table font and the body font has automatically changed here. So I'm choosing this one. So that's it for this video. This video will help you to format a table quickly. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please press the like button. And if you are new into my channel, make sure you have subscribed it